Today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to generate barcodes in Blazor. How's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful barcode generator in a Blazor web app using IronBarcode. I've got my Blazor web app already created, and as you can see in the installed tab of the NuGet package manager, that I've already added the IronBarcode package to this project. At the top of the hom.razor file, you'll notice we're importing the IronBarcode namespace, and we're also injecting the IJS runtime for JavaScript interop. The render mode is set to interactive server, which allows us to handle user interaction smoothly. The UI is pretty straightforward. We've got a heading that says barcode generator and a button labeled generate barcode that triggers our barcode generation method. Below that, there's a conditional block that checks if we have a barcode image path. If we do, it displays the generated barcode image with some styling to keep it at a reasonable size. Now let's dive into the code section. We have a private string variable called barcode image path that stores the path to our generated barcode image. The generated barcode method is where the actual work happens. First, we set up the IronBarcode license key. Then we use the barcode writer.createBarcode method to generate a barcode with the text hello world using code 128 encoding. This is obviously one of the most common barcode formats, and IronBarcode makes it incredibly simple to work with. Next, we create a unique file name using the current timestamp, which ensures each barcode we generate has a unique name. We then construct the save path pointing to the root images folder. The code also ensures that the image directory exists before we try to save anything there. After that, we call the save as PNG method to save the barcode image to our specified path. We then update the barcode image path variable so the UI can display the generated barcode. And then finally, we show a JavaScript alert to let the user know the barcode was saved successfully, including the file name. There's also a try-catch block wrapping everything to handle any potential errors gracefully. So if something goes wrong, it'll display an error message to the user. All right, so let's see this in action. I'm going to run the application now. And perfect. The browser has opened, and here's our barcode generator page. You can see the Generate Barcode button right here. So let me click on it, and we immediately get an alert pop-up saying barcode saved successfully along with the file name. And just like that, our barcode is now displayed on the page. You can see it's a clear, high-quality code 128 barcode encoding the text hello world. Barcode is perfectly scannable, ready to be used in any application. Just a few lines of code and the powerful IronBarcode library, we've created a fully functional barcode generator in Blazor. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for a trial on the site, download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below, check it out.